Salad that burns belly fat. If you want to lose 25 kilograms in a month with a few ingredients I'm about to show you, then keep watching to the end. Without wasting time, let's go. Let's start with tomato cherry. This salad is very easy and quick to make. Into the bowl, let's transfer our cherry tomato. Our next ingredients is bell pepper. You can use red bell pepper as well. Please let me know in the comment section where you are watching me from. And let me know if you are going to try this recipe. Next ingredients, red onion. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and let me know where you are watching me from. Black olive is already sliced. This salad is so delicious and very easy to make. This is Halloumi cheese. I'm using 100 grams of Halloumi cheese. Black olive was 100 grams as well. Green onion. Salt, 2 grams. Black pepper, 3 grams. Olive oil, 30 grams. Mix that. Salad is ready. Thank you for watching. If today is your first time, you're welcome. To my old subscribers, you are amazing. Thank you for watching. I will see you into the next video. Bye bye.